So let us now begin with our very first section of the video, that is creating a script. So how to create a script? Well, now we know that there are multiple such tools using which you can create your own script. First of all, there are two ways of doing this. You can devote your time, your creativity, and write your own script line by line. That is the very first task. That is writing your own script. If you have the knowledge of basic script writing, you can easily create your own script within few minutes. But if you want to save your time, and if you want to devote that time into doing something else, you can make use of tools such as Chat GPT, GPT-3, Quillbot, etc. There are multiple such tools available on the internet. You can make use of them and create your own script, which will not only attract a lot of users to your videos, but it will also give a lot of finesse to your script. You can otherwise use that time in something else. You can use that time in editing or giving some more finishing touches to your videos, right? So why not use something which is already proven and make a script based on those tools, right? So first of all, find out your niche, find out your area where you would like to create a video first. If you are an educator, you know what your niche is, right? Education is your niche. You can further break it down into your sub niches, or you can further break it down into your subcategories. For example, if you're an educator, you might be teaching a particular subject. So you can create videos revolving around that particular subject. So that is your niche, that is your sub niche, right? Or basically your category. So once you are clear with your category, you can then start creating a script. For example, there are multiple channels on YouTube, there are multiple faceless channels on YouTube as well. In fact, I also have a faceless channel where I make videos on latest trending facts. So for that particular case study, I require facts from across the globe, right? So if I have a particular fact in front of me, I need a script to make that fact even more appealing, right? So for that purpose, I need to go to any of those websites mentioned over here. For example, Chat GPT or GPT-3. What happens is Chat GPT sometimes doesn't give you the complete experience. It might run into excess traffic and it might not be able to handle so many requests at that particular time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, if I try to access a particular thing on Chat GPT, here is something what happens at times. At times it is not able to handle the traffic, or if you are a free user, it may straight away reject the services to you at that point of time. At that point of time when it is actually handling a lot of traffic. So in that case, you can make use of an alternative called OpenAI. In fact, ChatGPT is based on OpenAI only. So you can make use of this playground from OpenAI, and it does exactly the same task as ChatGPT. So as you can see over here, you can in fact choose among ChatGPT or any other models at that particular point of time. Because this playground gives you the option of tweaking some parameters of the model. Right now, what I am trying to show is I am actually wanting to create a script for a YouTube video. As you can see over here, kindly make a YouTube script on an interesting fact based on artificial intelligence. So for example, if you want to create an artificial intelligence based video, you can simply type something or some prompt like this, click on submit, and it will do the task for you. Let me again show it to you. So this is the message I had written, right? If I want to change something over here instead of artificial intelligence, if I want to make a video on machine learning, it will do the same task. Let me remove this and let me click on submit. As you can see, this is the script which it is writing in front of you. Hey guys, today's interesting fact is all about machine learning and so on. Did you know that machine learning can predict a person's personality just by analyzing their social media activity, right? So this is nothing but a short script. If you want it to write even more, you can simply write something else, add more lines. Let's check if it works or not. Yeah. So as you can see, it can keep on adding more number of lines as and when you are prompting it to do so. So what you can do is you can type something like this. You can prompt OpenAI to write something for you. So let me delete this and let me go back and write something else. Write or kindly make a viral YouTube script on an interesting fact based on AI and press submit. It has also given you a title for the video. it is starting from the intro, the body section, followed by the outro. So it has almost given you a unique, I would say almost, because there might be chances that your script might run into plagiarism. So what you can do is, once you are clear with the script that yes, this is going to be my script, once you are final with the script part, you can simply copy that script and go to any paraphrasing tool. For example, you can make use of something called as Quillbot. Quillbot is again one of those AI tools I have mentioned over here. It gives you the feature, it gives you the options to paraphrase your content, paraphrase the text you want. For example, let me paste it over here. One thing to note over here, right now I'm using Quillbot Premium, so I'm not having any restrictions on the word count, but still in the case of the free one, it is having approximately a limitation of 400 words if I'm not wrong. So in case you run out of the word, or if in case you go beyond the word limit, what you can do is you can do the same task in parts, or you can copy fractions of the paragraph, paraphrase it, and again do the same task in a repetitive fashion. Okay, so that is the only thing you need to take care of. Otherwise, it's completely free. So what happens is you can copy the text over here, and you can choose from the options. Again, in the case of the free one, there would be standard one available, and I guess fluency is available. Rest will not be available for you in the free version. But trust me, the standard version is in itself a very good option. I would like to show it with the help of the standard version itself. Simply click on the standard version, and you will have the option of adding more number of synonyms or reducing the number of synonyms to make it to make the text sound more natural. So as you can see, it has paraphrased the entire text, and now the chances of plagiarism will be reduced to a great extent. So as you can read it, welcome back to our channel where we deliver mind-blowing information and unbelievable facts. We have a fascinating statistic regarding artificial intelligence and so on. So this is your script. The next thing that you need to do is simply read the script, create your voiceovers, edit those voiceovers, and then we'll go ahead with the next sections.